welcome once again. These are the latest updates so far from the court. Court adjourns a Kanu's trial to be on the October 21st, 2021. The trial of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has been adjourned to October 21st. Remember that his trial was scheduled to start Monday in Nigerian Capital Territory, Abuja, with many journalists barred from entering the courtroom, a move that was condoned as restrictive by right groups. He was arrested in late 2015 in Nigeria but disappeared in 2017 after being rearrested and under bail. Now, Nnamdi Kanu has been intercepted. He has been brought back to Nigeria, as earlier been said, in order to continue facing trial after disappearing. Nigerian Justice Minister and Attorney General Abubakar Malami said in a June 29 statement. Malami said Kanu faces charges that include terrorism. They said that he has a reasonable felony, and managing an unlawful society, publication of a defamatory matter, illegal possession of firearms, and improper implementation and the importation of goods, among others. These are many of the charges that was alleged on him. Officials did not say where he was arrested, but his family and the lawyers claim he was taken while in Kenya. And the adjournment has been made to take place in October 2021. This is the latest of the following the court rule made today. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let me have your take. So many other persons have been in prison. Meanwhile, we have the presence of yes, of course, the presence of some of the traders of Aba has really been shocked down over the court trials of today. As we noticed that traders shut down in Aba over Nnamdi Kanu's trial, and some of their representatives were at present at the court premises. And traders at Aba Shopping Center in Abia State have suspended business activities because of the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. The IPOP leader, Nnamdi Kanu, who is standing trial for treason, was granted bail on health ground in 2017. And as it stands, so many representatives from various areas were at the court being present for the trial. Alright, we have it also as well as the presence of the Anambra governor storms High Court for Nnamdi Kanu's trial. A former governor of Anambra State, Chukwuemeka Eze-Ife, has arrived at the Federal High Court. We notice is present also at the venue, Abuja, to witness the trial of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Nnamdi Kanu. Eze-Ife was appointed by the leadership of APESI Igbo organization, Ohaneze Ndị Igbo, to lead a delegation that will monitor court proceedings. Nnamdi Kanu will be continuing today for 4 years after he jumped and led a flee to the other side of the country. He is facing several charges, as earlier been said. So we notice the presence of Chukwuemeka Eze-Ife as he arrived at the Federal High Court, seated at the venue for the witness of the trial. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so there are so many comments in this regard. Moreover, we want to look at the response of the UK, US, and the AU as they were told to send observers to monitor Nnamdi Kanu's trial. The government of the United Kingdom, United States, and the European Union have been advised to send observers to monitor proceedings in the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Actually, Kanu is said to be arraigned at the Federal High Court in Abuja. As it stands, the representative Thereby, the activist AG at the Yoku took to Twitter to urge the UK and the US and the and AU, I beg your pardon, to send their observers to witness what he observed and described as violations of human rights. He said that he urged the UK and US AU as well to send observers to Federal High Court in Abuja before, during, and after Nnamdi Kanu's trial today, so that they can witness first-hand violations of human rights in Nigeria by tyrannical Buhari regime, he said. And he's also citizenly the Nigerian government, stating a nation that forgive terrorists, not violently harass citizens and those making truth to power. Alright, not one Boko Haram member killed his men or planned the trial. Alright, my good people. Meanwhile, the absence of Kanu at the court made the court to join his trial till October, and the scheduled trial of suffered a setback, as earlier said, with the judge adjourning till October 21st, citing Mr. Kanu's absence and the commencement of the court vacation. Alright, the State Security Service failed to produce Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the proscribed indigenous of Biafra, for his scheduled trial at the Federal High Court in Abuja on Monday. The trial was stalled not just because of Mr. Kanu's absence from court, but also because the court judge's vacation started on Monday. The trial judge, Benta Nwoko, said Mrs. Koyo Nyeko adjourned the case till October 21st. Alright, remember that earlier the prosecuting lawyer MB Abubakar informed the judge that Mr. Kanu's absence from court might be due to logistical issues and encountered by SSS and the agents holding him in custody. Mr. Kanu's lawyer Ifeanyi Ejiofor contacted the prosecution's position, saying that the IPOB leader had been taken away out of Abuja, and the separatist who was granted bail in April 2017 fled the country after the invasion of his home in Afaruku near Umuahia, Abia State, by the military in the September. Alright, this has been how it is, because his absence indeed and some other things that made the court to adjourn the case to October 21st, citing Mr. Kanu's absence and the commencement of the court vacation. Alright, my good people, this has been how it is. Let me have your take on this as court rejoined the case to 21st October 2021. Thank you and God bless you.